Everyone, this is KGMO Vlogs, si Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad ko na ito reaction video. Ang Barda compilation, yung mga sweet moments nila and mga pahiwatig. Dati po, hindi ganun pahiwatig for today's video. But one second, alam ko, since wala pa tayong mga chismis ngayon and everything, wala pa tayong mga ayuda, gawa na ito reaction video. Ito yung mga interviews na parang hindi ko pa napanood actually. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Habang stress kayo dyan sa Pilipinas sa politika nangyayari, magpakasawa na lang tayo dito. Please.
Of course, hashtag Barda. Thank you so much. I understand this is David's second time, right? Pero first time mo, Barda.
Ako, first time po dito sa studio. Maayong buntag po sa inyong
Ay,
lahat.
maayong buntag.
Mayong buntag po sa inyong lahat.
alam na si Juana. Of course, we'd like to know first, how will you, David to Barbie, Barbie to David, how will you describe each other's mornings?
I think I would describe Barbie's mornings. Usually kapag nagkaya ko sa kanya, ano naman siya, alive, lively.
First thing in the morning, nakwento niya lang naman sa akin din. Hindi ko pa rin naman na-witness. Pagkagising niya, hindi daw siya magpo-phone for the first hour. Yes, correct. Wow.
Magpo-phone?
Most of the time.
Ito naman, of course, tinginan mo. Speaking of tinginan, telepathy na lang daw. Try natin ito na game. So,
telepathy naman.
of course, telepathy naman. Tas sabay pa din kayo ha, sabay yung bigkas kung sino yung tinutukoy natin. Ano yung question natin. First question daw, by research ito ng ating GMA Regional TV team. Kailan daw nabuo? Sabay after ng pagsagot ha, kailan daw nabuo? Ang exact date, Barda Love Team.
Exactly.
November.
Sure ba siya dyan?
Oh, I think October 5.
October 5.
October 5.
Kaya talaga. Ano ba yan? Hindi na-review. O bakit October 5?
Kailan ba nag-air yung Maria Clara?
October 3.
October 3.
October 3.
October 5 tayo.
Okay.
Yung first appearance.
Okay.
Meron na kaagad
First
dyan.
meeting natin.
Oh.
No, pero October 5 kasi yung audition natin ng Meant to Be as well.
Okay.
Kaya di ba ang Barda Day natin 5?
Okay.
Wait a minute.
I win. Sabi.
Second question. Puto, ano daw yung first out of the country trip? Saan yung first out of the country trip niyo dalawa?
Korea.
Thank you so much for being games.
Ay, tapos na. Korea yung first out of the country. Wait. Ito.
Lagi mong tatandaan.
Wait lang, why it is so hurt they are not real couple after 5 years? What if sila talaga hindi ka sure sa post mo for today's video? Hindi ka sure. Now it's all possible for today's video.
You are worth it.
Ulitin natin. Hindi ka sure sa post mo niya.
Magkakaroon tayo ng landas. Lagi mong tatandaan na you are worth it.
You are worth it.
Just to break your heart.
Diyos ko, di ba? Parang kung i-analyze mo pala talaga, may hurt din siya, no? May, sa mga fans na katulad natin. Like, umaasa talaga. I mean, hindi naman lahat, pero ako. Ay. Ayan. Ay, hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya. Ah.
So goodbye to the ones we once loved.
You got a girlfriend?
No.
that one.
No,
I have
but
a
you're
lot.
fucking right, David. I mean, you.
Oh.
David, were you a good son, David?
This
Or,
one.
you listen to your kids?
The naughty
I mean,
one.
you listen to your parents?
The naughty
Before,
one.
actually, no. As in, like, pinalayas now before when I was in
No.
first year high school. I
Pinalayas.
think.
First year high school, pinalayas
Like,
mo yung Mami Edin.
I was away from my house mga
Imagine.
5 days.
Uy,
Yep.
matagal yun,
No,
ah.
like, you being an artist and doing all this stuff now, how is it?
No naman. I mean, now they're really supportive
Uh-huh.
with
Gusto ko
what I'm
tumakita
doing.
yung slay lang ng
They're still
slay.
young,
Yeah.
and they're only 45.
Okay.
So, I think they're supportive naman.
Ang
whatever
gwapo.
you do.
When they kicked you out, like,
Before talaga, they were really strict. Maybe because, parang, they were young pa, they were, I think, 20, they got married around 22 years old, so,
Ay, ang bata pa
they were
pala.
young, so, I don't know.
For a one-woman guy?
Hindi, syempre, kapag nasa relationship ka naman, di ba?
Ah,
You have to be loyal, but, pero,
Unless you
pero
travel.
naman single, syempre, slay lang ng slay.
slay na slay.
There you go.
What is, I have a
All right.
question.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Slay lang ng slay.
Go,
Are you
Jane. Go.
dating someone right now?
Ah, yeah.
Me, no.
Are you dating someone right now?
I just broke up with my ex, like, a few weeks ago.
Shady, you.
Oh.
Hello
Okay.
po,
Ito
pakibantayan
sa
lang
pep.
po sila saglit.
Pa sila saglit. David, baby. Baby, si David, no. Baby, si David. Oh my God, David is such a cutie. Baby, si David.
Dapat bihim ka. Good boy, good girl. Malaki, hindi makabasag fingers.
Ayan, okay na po. Thank you po.
Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am?
Mabuti naman ang ating babae. Kaya kasi umuupo, nagtuturo nga tayo.
Ay, ano to?
Sir David, ikaw ko.
Asa maging sino ka man? Okay.
Nagkakatampuhan ba kayo? Minsan.
Paano nagbabate?
Paano nagsisimula
Wala,
ang tampuhan?
nangyayari na lang. Oo, walang nangyayaring sorry.
Tsaka paano
Acceptance,
nag-sorry?
ganun.
Paano pala nagkakatampuhan? Sorry.
Hindi, ako ramdam ko si David pag late. Titingin muna yan sa, babati muna yan sa iba. Kasi syempre ako nasa set
Hindi
na
ka naman magpapa-baby. Hindi ka naman magpapa-baby kung kinakat agad ni Barbie ang pag-baby sa'yo, di ba? Oo, given the fact na si David nagpapa-baby, pero kung hindi yan sasang-ayunan ni Barbie, hindi na yan uulitin, pero siya kasi pa-baby talaga. Wait lang, nakita niyo ba yung kahapon na parang lumabas na gumagano siya? Napakalambot ni David.
Kasi ako minsan kasi alam ko naman na maligo. Nalate niya ako, ganyan.
Mm.
So pag nakita ko siya,
Ano?
wala naman pa chocolate or paano?
Wala. Lagi ko ang sinasabi, ang drink ko, barista blend daw.
Paris. Wala.
Hindi kasi nangyayari ito pa rin na nagbabayad.
Walang may pakapi. Bakit naman hindi siya papakabi?
Ano lang na make-upan lang to.
Tumig ka ba? Ay, napanood natin. Napanood natin.
What makes David different?
Go.
Hindi ko alam kasi kung up to now, aware siya kung gano'n siya kasikat. Kasi parang paikot-ikot pa rin siya kasi eh. Di ba?
Paikot-ikot.
Parang kung saan ko pa rin siya nakikita. alam mo yun?
Paikot-ikot.
And
Kalat?
for someone na nasa ganitong estado ngayon, tapos ganun pa rin yung mindset.
Humble,
I-admire mo talaga.
yeah.
Kasi ibig sabihin,
Indeed.
hindi yun yung focus niya.
Oo.
May iba siyang priorities.
I couldn't
Hindi yun
agree
talaga
more.
goal niya, kaya siya pumasok sa showbiz, di ba? So,
I couldn't agree
yun,
more.
I admire that from him. And also yung pagiging genuine niya.
Ay.
Hindi siya kasi yung tipo ng artista, hindi na lalaki. Siya yung tipo ng artista na hindi nagtatry. In a good way. Hindi nagtatry. Kumbaga parang hindi siya nagpapa-impress kasi. So, what you see is what you get. So, nakikilala mo yung totoong siya. Pag may
True.
tinanong ka sa kanya, sasabihin niya kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman niya about it. Bahala ka na kung paano mo tatanggapin yun. Pero,
Oo.
ganun siya. Pero, I would consider David as one of the most sincere leading men I've worked with.
Grabe na worst.
hindi kasi pag-
Grabe mga
pagka
bibitawan.
nag-interview
Si
kami,
Barbie, grabe siya magbitaw ng mga salita, no?
Ako nga medyo loko-loko pa eh. Pero siya
Grabe.
totoo talaga yung mga sagot niya.
Grabe siya magbitaw ng salita.
Maganda ako.
Oo.
Oh, happy? Yung maganda ako at saka smart. Uy, yun. Then, mararamdaman mo yung sincerity talaga sa kanya. Tsaka yung walang halong kasyumis.
Grabe siya magbigay ng in fairness to her. Ay, kaya pa? Sana may interview sila dito, no? Kaso nga lang, wala palang interview. In fairness to them. Oh, last one. Parang nabitin ako. Barda interview? Ay, pala napanood na natin to. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Barda compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!